Welcome to our massive English conversation practice. Today we will cover multiple real-life scenarios, starting with grocery store.
I love grocery shopping.
Really? What do you like about it?
I like buying fresh food.
That is great. Fresh food is essential.
I go shopping every Sunday.
Do you have a favorite store?
Yes, I like Walmart.
Walmart is very convenient.
They have everything I need.
That is true. They have a wide selection.
I buy milk and eggs.
Say this instead. I buy milk and eggs every week.
I buy milk and eggs every week.
Do you have a shopping list?
No, I do not have a list.
Maybe you should make a list.
That is a good idea.
It helps you remember things.
I always forget something.
A list can prevent that.
I will try making a list.
You can also use a shopping app.
That sounds convenient.
Many stores have their own apps.
I will download one.
You can find coupons on the app.
I love coupons.
Coupons can save you money.
I want to save money.
Instead of, I want to save money, say, I would like to save some money.
I would like to save some money.
Do you buy anything online?
Yes, I buy things online.
What kind of things do you buy online?
I buy household items.
That is convenient. You can get them delivered.
I like getting deliveries.
Instead of, I like getting deliveries, say, I appreciate the convenience of delivery.
I appreciate the convenience of delivery.
Have you ever had a problem with a delivery?
Yes, my order was wrong.
That can be frustrating.
I was very frustrated.
Instead of, I was very frustrated, say, I was extremely frustrated.
I was extremely frustrated.
What did you do to resolve the issue?
I called the store.
That was a good idea.
They helped me fix the problem.
I am glad they were helpful.
Me too. I was relieved.
Instead of, I was relieved, say, I felt a sense of relief.
I felt a sense of relief.
Do you have any other shopping tips?
Yes, I compare prices.
That is a great tip. Comparing prices can save you money.
I like saving money.
Instead of, I like saving money, say, I am keen on saving money.
I am keen on saving money.
Well, it was great talking about grocery shopping with you.
Yeah, it was fun.
Instead of, it was fun, say, I enjoyed our conversation.
I enjoyed our conversation.
Let us move to the next scenario. We are at the grocery store.
I need milk.
What type of milk?
2% milk.
Do you buy organic?
Sometimes yes.
Say, I do, instead.
I do buy organic.
That is great for health.
It is very healthy.
Say, it is, instead of, it is.
It is very healthy.
Have you tried almond milk?
No, I have not.
You should try it.
I will try.
Say, I will try, instead.
I will try it.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
Who makes the best pizza?
My mom makes.
That is sweet. Say, my mom makes the best pizza.
My mom makes the best pizza.
Does she use fresh ingredients?
Yes, she does.
That makes a big difference.
It makes pizza very good.
Say, it makes the pizza very good.
It makes the pizza very good.
Have you ever made pizza?
No. I have not made.
Say, I have not made pizza.
I have not made pizza.
You should try making it.
I will try making.
Say, I will try making it.
I will try making it.
Do you have a favorite grocery store?
I like Walmart.
What do you like about it?
It is very big.
Say, it is very big.
It is very big.
That is true. They have a wide selection.
Yes, they have.
Say, yes, they do.
Yes, they do.
Do you use coupons?
Sometimes I use.
Say, I use coupons sometimes.
I use coupons sometimes.
That is a great way to save money.
It saves very much.
Say, it saves a lot.
It saves a lot.
Have you ever tried online shopping?
No, I have not tried.
Say, I have not tried it.
I have not tried it.
You should give it a shot.
I will give it.
Say, I will give it a shot.
I will give it a shot.
It is very convenient.
It is very easy.
Say, it is very easy.
It is very easy.
Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, I have card.
Say, yes, I have a card.
Yes, I have a card.
That is great. You can earn points.
I can earn many points.
Say, I can earn a lot of points.
I can earn a lot of points.
Have you ever used a self-checkout?
Yes, I have used.
Say, yes, I have used it.
Yes, I have used it.
It is very quick.
It is very fast.
Say, it is very fast.
It is very fast.
Do you prefer shopping alone?
Yes, I prefer alone.
Say, yes, I prefer shopping alone.
Yes, I prefer shopping alone.
It can be more efficient.
It is more efficient.
Say, it is more efficient.
It is more efficient.
Let us move on to the next scenario. We are at a grocery store.
I need milk.
What type of milk?
2%.
Aisle 3 has milk.
Thanks. I will check.
Do you buy organic?
Sometimes, yes.
It is a bit pricey.
But healthy.
Say, healthier, instead.
Healthier. Right.
Exactly. A better choice.
I want to eat healthier.
That is a great goal.
I need to lose weight.
Exercise helps too.
I know. I am lazy.
Say, I am not motivated. Instead,
I am not motivated.
find an exercise you enjoy.
Like what?
Swimming or cycling.
I like cycling.
It is great exercise.
And fun.
What is your favorite food?
Pizza. I love pizza.
Who does not, right?
It is so good.
But not very healthy.
I know. I will try to eat less.
Everything in moderation.
That is a good rule.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes. I try.
What is your favorite dish?
Spaghetti. I love spaghetti.
It is easy to make.
And delicious.
Have you tried new recipes?
Not really. I should.
There are great cookbooks
I will check them out.
or online recipes.
That is a good idea.
You can find anything.
It is so convenient.
Do you have a shopping list?
No, I just buy what I see.
That can be expensive.
I know. I will make a list.
It helps you stay on track.
And saves money.
Do you use coupons?
Sometimes, yes.
They can be helpful.
I will use them more.
Every little bit helps.
I agree, thanks.
Remember, I am going to instead of I will.
I am going to use coupons.
That is correct. Good job.
Thanks. I am learning.
That is what matters.
I am happy to learn.
Keep practicing. You are doing great.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
Let us keep shopping.
Okay. What is next?
We need to find the checkout.
I see it. Let us go.
Do you have a loyalty card?
No, I do not.
You should get one.
I will sign up.
It is a good idea.
I will get rewards.
Exactly. And discounts.
That sounds great.
Let us pay and go.
Okay. I am ready.
Did you find everything?
Yes, I did.
That is great. Let us go.
Thanks for shopping with me.
You are welcome. It was fun. Let us move to the next scenario. Grocery store.
I love shopping.
What is your favorite store?
I like Walmart.
They have great deals.
Yes, I save money.
Do you buy organic?
Sometimes. It is expensive.
Say, it is a bit pricey.
It is a bit pricey.
That is a good phrase.
I will remember it.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
Do you make your own?
No, I buy it.
You should try making it.
I do not have time.
Say, I am short on time.
I am short on time.
That is a common phrase.
I will use it.
Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I make one.
That is very organized.
I try to be,
It helps you save time.
and money too.
Exactly. It is a good habit.
I will keep doing it.
Do you shop online?
Sometimes. It is convenient.
Say, it is really convenient.
It is really convenient.
That is a good way to put it.
I like shopping online.
Do you have a favorite website?
I like Amazon.
They have a wide selection.
Yes, it is huge.
You can find anything.
It is very helpful.
Do you use coupons?
Yes, I clip them.
Say, I clip coupons.
I clip coupons.
That is a good way to save.
I save a lot.
It adds up over time.
Yes, it does.
Do you shop with cashback?
No, I do not.
You should try it.
I might start.
It is a great way to earn.
I could use the extra.
We all could.
I will look into it.
Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, I have one.
Say, I have a loyalty program.
I have a loyalty program.
That is a good way to put it.
I get rewards.
That is the best part.
I love getting rewards.
Who does not?
Right, it is great.
Do you shop with friends?
Sometimes, it is fun.
Say, it is a blast.
It is a blast.
That is a good phrase.
I will use it.
Do you try new foods?
Yes, I like to.
Say, I am adventurous.
I am adventurous.
That is a great attitude.
I like trying new things.
It is good for you.
I feel happy.
That is the best part.
I love grocery shopping.
It is a necessary chore.
But it is fun too.
If you make it fun,
I try to make it fun.
that is the right attitude.
I will keep shopping.
We all will.
It is a part of life.
Let us move to the next scenario. We are at a grocery store.
I need milk.
What type of milk?
Low-fat milk.
Aisle 3 has milk.
I see it.
Do you buy organic?
Sometimes yes.
Say, occasionally instead.
Occasionally yes.
I prefer organic produce.
It is healthier.
And tastes better.
I agree.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like apples.
Apples are versatile.
I put them in salads.
Or in oatmeal.
That sounds good.
Have you tried pineapple?
Yes, it is sweet.
Use very sweet, or extremely sweet.
It is very sweet.
Pineapple is a great snack.
I will buy some.
Do you have a shopping list?
No, I do not.
I always make a list.
It helps you remember.
And stay organized.
I get distracted.
Buy sales and discounts.
Yes, exactly.
Those can be tempting.
But not always needed.
Prioritize your needs.
That is a good tip.
Do you shop online?
Not for groceries.
Why not?
I like to choose.
Fresh produce yourself.
Yes, that is it.
Some people prefer delivery.
For convenience.
It saves time.
But I enjoy shopping.
The experience of it.
I meet friends here.
That is a nice bonus.
We grab coffee.
After shopping?
Yes, nearby.
That sounds like fun.
It is a routine.
A pleasant one.
I look forward to it.
Do you have a favorite store?
This one is nice.
What do you like about it?
The staff is friendly.
That makes a difference.
And the prices are good.
Competitive pricing.
I can find deals.
You are a savvy shopper.
I try to be.
Say, I try my best.
I try my best.
That is the right attitude.
For saving money.
And staying within budget.
It is a challenge.
But you are up for it.
I have to be.
Responsibility is key.
In all aspects.
Of life, really.
You are right.
Now, shall we check out?
Yes. I am ready.
Let us pay and go.
I will pay with card.
Convenient, right?
Much faster.
Than cash or checks.
Those are outdated.
In many places, yes.
Technology advances.
And changes our habits.
For the better, mostly.